Hi everyone! Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Dropshipping might be your ticket to freedom. Imagine lounging on a beach, laptop in hand, while money flows into your bank account. But let's be real, dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work and dedication. The best part? You can start with little to no money down. In this video, I'll break down the steps to start your dropshipping business, even with $0. Let's dive in. You might need to invest in a domain name and some tools, but these costs are minimal compared to traditional businesses. With dropshipping, you avoid manufacturing costs, inventory storage fees, and shipping logistics. Your supplier handles all of that, lowering the barrier to entry. The potential rewards far outweigh the initial costs. Let's get started. First, find your niche. This allows you to target a specific audience. Then, set up your online store using platforms like Shopify. Finally, attract customers with free and low-cost marketing strategies. Dropshipping reduces financial risk and allows you to experiment with different products and niches. Choose a profitable niche and focus your energy there. Look for high-demand products with a wow factor. Explore online marketplaces and social media trends. Understand your target audience to curate a product selection that stands out. Create a captivating online store using user-friendly platforms like Shopify Wix or Squarespace. Invest in high-quality product photos and compelling descriptions. Ensure a seamless and secure checkout process. Your online store is your digital storefront, so make a stellar first impression. Prioritize user-friendliness, aesthetics, and security. Choose products strategically, based on market research and understanding your target audience. Explore specific product ideas within your niche. Look for high-demand products with positive reviews and healthy profit margins. Finding your winning product is an ongoing process of research, testing, and refining. Unleash the power of free traffic strategies to drive customers to your store. Leverage multiple marketing channels like social media, content marketing, and SEO. Building a successful business takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Social media is a goldmine of free marketing opportunities. Identify the platforms where your ideal customers are most active. Craft a captivating brand presence with eye-catching visuals and compelling storytelling. Engage with your followers authentically to build trust and loyalty. Leverage user-generated content to boost brand advocacy. Content marketing is a powerful tool for attracting and converting customers. Create valuable content that answers your audience's questions and establishes your expertise. Experiment with different content formats to see what resonates best. Consistent, valuable content will attract a loyal following and boost sales. SEO makes your website more visible to search engines like Google. Use keywords strategically throughout your website. Create high-quality, informative content that people want to read. Optimize your website's structure for easy navigation. Consistently implement SEO best practices to attract organic traffic. The patience game, planting seeds for future harvests. Let's talk timelines. I know you're eager to see those sales rolling in, but let's be real for a sec. Dropshipping, like any business, takes time to blossom. Think of it like planting a seed. You wouldn't expect a towering tree overnight, right? You've got to nurture it, give it time to grow its roots, and watch it flourish with patience and care. The same goes for your dropshipping business. It takes time to build a strong online presence, attract a loyal following, and establish trust with your target audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see a flood of orders pouring in during the first few weeks or even months. It's perfectly normal to have a slow start as you fine-tune your strategies, experiment with different marketing channels, and learn the ropes of the dropshipping world. The key is to stay consistent, analyze your results, and adjust your approach as needed. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has been where you are now, navigating the ups and downs of building a business from the ground up. From clicks to cash, understanding traffic and conversion. In the world of online business, traffic is king. It's the lifeblood of your dropshipping store, the steady stream of potential customers visiting your website. But here's the catch. Traffic alone won't make you money. You need to convert those curious visitors into paying customers. That's where conversion rates come into play. Think of your website as a funnel. At the top, you have a wide opening representing all the traffic coming to your store from various sources like social media, search engines, or paid advertising. As visitors navigate through your funnel, some will drop off, while others will continue their journey, browsing products, adding items to their cart, and ultimately completing a purchase. Your conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who actually make a purchase out of the total number of visitors to your website. Improving your conversion rate is a continuous process of optimization. It's about creating a seamless user experience, showcasing high-quality product photos and descriptions, offering secure payment options, and providing exceptional customer service always. Managing expectations. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So you're probably wondering, Sunny, how long will it take to see those sweet, sweet profits rolling in? And I hear you. We all crave that instant gratification, that moment when our hard work translates into tangible rewards. But here's the thing about dropshipping. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There's no magic formula or guaranteed timeline for success. It all depends on factors like your niche, your marketing efforts, your product selection, and a sprinkle of good old-fashioned luck. Some dropshippers might see their first sales trickle in within a few weeks, while others might need to put in a few months of consistent effort before hitting their stride. The key is to stay focused on the long game, to build a sustainable business that can weather the inevitable ups and downs of the market. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a thriving dropshipping empire. Instead of fixating on overnight success, shift your mindset to embrace the journey. Celebrate those small victories along the way, learn from your mistakes, and never stop experimenting and refining your strategies. Remember, you're in control of your own destiny. With hard work, dedication, and a dash of entrepreneurial spirit, you can turn your dropshipping dreams into a profitable reality. It's not about how fast you go, it's about how far you're willing to push yourself to achieve your goals. So lace up those running shoes, stay the course, and keep your eyes on the prize. The journey is just as important as the destination. Celebrating milestones. Your dropshipping journey to success. As you embark on this exciting dropshipping adventure, it's essential to acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Each step forward is a building block towards your ultimate success. Every milestone, no matter how big or small, is a testament to your hard work, dedication, and unwavering belief in your vision. These moments are the foundation of your journey. Remember that initial thrill of launching your online store. The excitement and anticipation were palpable. The countless hours you poured into researching products, crafting compelling descriptions, and perfecting your website design. Those late nights and early mornings were all part of the process. That, my friends, was a victory worth celebrating. It's these moments that make the journey worthwhile. And as you continue on this journey, you'll encounter many more milestones that deserve a moment of recognition. Each one is a step closer to your goals. Perhaps you secured your first sale, a moment that signifies the beginning of your business's growth, received a glowing customer review, a testament to your excellent service and product quality, or hit a significant traffic milestone, indicating your growing online presence. These are all reasons to pause, reflect, and appreciate how far you've come. Take a moment to acknowledge your achievements. Don't let the pursuit of success overshadow the importance of enjoying the journey. Balance is key to long-term success. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth. Learn from your mistakes and use them as stepping stones. Never lose sight of the passion that ignited this entrepreneurial fire within you. Let it be your guiding light. Keep your why at the forefront of your mind. It's your driving force. Why did you start this dropshipping journey in the first place? Reflect on your initial motivations. Was it the desire for financial freedom, the ability to control your own destiny, the flexibility to be your own boss and create your own schedule, or the opportunity to turn your passion into a thriving business? Passion is a powerful motivator. Whatever your why, let it fuel your motivation, inspire your creativity, and guide you towards your ultimate destination. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. Your dropshipping destiny awaits. Take the leap. So, there you have it, future dropshipping dynamos. We've journeyed together through the ins and outs of launching a successful dropshipping business, even if you're starting with $0 in your pocket. We've busted myths, explored strategies, and uncovered the secrets to attracting customers and making those sales soar. Now, it's time for you to take the reins, to transform knowledge into action, and to step boldly into the exhilarating world of entrepreneurship. Remember that dream we talked about at the beginning? The one where you're calling the shots, setting your own hours, and watching your bank account grow while sipping a tropical drink on a beach somewhere? That dream is within your reach. The dropshipping world is brimming with opportunities for those who dare to dream big and take action. It's a world where creativity, innovation, and a customer-centric approach can lead to remarkable success. Don't let fear, self-doubt, or the opinions of others hold you back. This is your moment to shine, to create a business that reflects your unique vision and empowers you to live life on your own terms. Embrace the journey. It's time to shine. Remember, building a successful dropshipping business is a journey, not a destination. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and continuous improvement. There will be ups and downs, twists and turns, moments of triumph, and perhaps a few stumbles along the way. Each experience, whether good or bad, shapes your entrepreneurial spirit. But it's in those moments of challenge that you'll discover your resilience, your resourcefulness, and your unwavering determination to succeed. These challenges are the stepping stones to your ultimate success. Embrace the learning process, stay adaptable, and never be afraid to experiment and refine your strategies. Each new strategy is a potential breakthrough waiting to happen. The dropshipping landscape is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay curious, embrace new technologies, and never stop seeking ways to improve your business. Innovation is key to staying ahead. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, and cheerleaders who inspire you to reach for the stars. Their support can be the catalyst for your success. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small, and view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Every step forward, no matter how minor, is progress. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. There are countless others walking the same path, facing similar challenges. There's a vibrant community of dropshippers out there, eager to connect, collaborate, and support each other on the road to success. Together, we can achieve more. Seek out online forums, Facebook groups, or local meetups where you can connect with like-minded individuals, share your experiences, and learn from each other's journeys. These connections can be invaluable. Remember, the dropshipping community is built on collaboration, not competition. By working together, we can all achieve greater success. By supporting and uplifting each other, we create a rising tide that lifts all boats. Together, we can navigate the challenges and celebrate the successes of this incredible journey. You've got this. Unleash your inner entrepreneur. As we wrap up this epic dropshipping adventure, I want you to carry this message in your heart. You've got this. The power to create the life you desire, the freedom to be your own boss, and the financial abundance you deserve is within your reach. Believe in yourself, trust your instincts, and never underestimate the transformative power of taking action. The dropshipping world is your oyster. It's a world brimming with possibilities, waiting for you to dive in and make your mark. So, what are you waiting for? Take that leap of faith, embrace the unknown, and unleash your inner entrepreneur. The world is waiting to be amazed by what you create. Remember, I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. Now go out there, make your mark, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, when you're sipping that tropical drink on a beach somewhere, celebrating your dropshipping success, don't forget to send me a postcard. Until next time, keep hustling, keep dreaming, and keep believing in the extraordinary power within you.